I think this is a screwdriver set everybody should have around their house and their trucks and their cars. It's a 10-piece Stanley screwdriver. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's a ratchet set and it comes with these 10 pieces. You got your torque screws, you got your Phillips, and you got your regular screwdrivers. So these are the 10 pieces that it comes with. And like I said, it also is a ratchet screwdriver, ratcheting. So this is the mounting that you mount it up on the wall. And this little clip right here, you just clip it in. And this is gonna hold your screwdriver in place. And I'm gonna show you a little bit here about this screwdriver ratchet. As you can hear the ratchet sound, you can reverse it, forward it. Also, it has these pieces in that you can just turn to the one you want and you can take it out. Probably need a knife or something to pull it out. I don't have any fingernails, as you can see. Once you pull it out, just put it in. That's it. And once you put it back in, what you want to do is turn this cover so one of them won't fall out, like this. Also, it has this back part you screw out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take those pieces that is on the mounting, that mounts on the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out right here, and I'm gonna keep them in the screwdriver. You see it got these slots, plus it got some extra slots if you wanna add more screws or any other connectors in there, and just screw it on. That's pretty it. And that's pretty simple. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here and mount it on the wall and just show you what it looks like. It's gonna, once I mount it on the wall, it's just gonna sit in there and snap in. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this on the wall. Go ahead and fast forward it a little bit. Once I'm done, just put it in, click it in place, and that's it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and you can also look in the bottom if you would like to purchase this on Amazon. Thank you, and have a great day.